Hey guys, this is Catchy Fusion. I'm Shalu. Welcome to my lifestyle channel where you'll be finding some random and catchy stuff from day to day life. First of all, I would like to thank you all who have seen my first trial and warm up video, and thanks for showing the love which you have showed by liking, subscribing, and viewing my videos. And please stay tuned with the channel by liking, subscribing, and if you have already subscribed my channel, please don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any video which I do upload. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. So today's video is a reviewing video, and here is the product which I am going to review. This is the Philips KeraShine Gift Set for silky smooth hair. This is the combo of KeraShine series, the hair dryer and a hair straightener combo. This is the front side of the box, and here is the rear side of the box. The model for the product is HP8646. Here are the specification for the straightener and the hair dryer, and this is the product detail. You can see it now. This is a hair dryer and straightener set, and it is quite old packaging because it's my own product. This is manufacturing of 2015, and the price for this at that time was 3995. No doubt I got it on some discounted price. You people also can get it from some from discounts or even from your local shop as well. So I like the Philips product quite much. And you guys might be thinking it is a new box or it is not damaged from anywhere, because I do keep my stuff safe. Let's see what is the product all about. This is the outer packaging, and this is the inner packaging, quite sturdy, which keeps your product safe. So this is the dryer which comes with a long cord and the sturdy plug. It is Philips KeraShine Ionic 1600 watt. Some detailing on the dryer top. It is the safety nozzle which you can attach and detach. You can detach it and attach it again. So here are some settings. These are two airflow setting, the strong and the gentle, and the temperature setting, medium, gentle, and strong. I must say low, medium, and high. And it's a heavy duty dryer. It solves the purpose fully, and yeah, I appreciate it because I have never faced any issue with the dryer or the straightener. So here is the straightener. The same detailing is on the straightener. The basic difference is the dryer is in the glossy finish, as you can see, and the straightener is in the matte finish. KeraShine straightener, Philips, and again same long cord with a sturdy plug, and it comes with a swirl cord which enhances the convenience, and the plates are quite wide, and here is the on off switch. The favorite feature of mine which attracts me for the straightener, you can say, which really satisfy me when I'm using it or carrying it when I'm traveling. This is the switch which locks the plate or open the plate. Just by clicking you can lock it, by clicking you can open it, close, open. So that's good, that's great. And plates are quite wide, as you can see, so it really covers the proper and the good area, and it really again it really solves the purpose, and it's quite handy and travel friendly. Though the dryer is not travel friendly because it's some bulky and heavy duty dryer. No doubt it's also a heavy duty straightener, but it is handy as well and you can carry it while you are traveling. So I really love the product. I forgot to mention that the product comes with worldwide guarantee on the product, which is quite amazing. And yeah, I hope I you liked my review. Please let me know in the comment section below, and please stay tuned with the channel for further videos. Do like and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day.